Oh. Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Tech. I'm your host, Nash. So today in the episode, I call it What's in the Box. We're gonna review the KZ SKS. I bought this for 40 SGD, and you can get it roughly around that price of 40 to 42. Why should you buy this? The selling points are: it has QCC 3040, Bluetooth 5.2, and Type-C charging. So I also bought this because it has a very beautiful design. So let's inspect the box. According to them, they have a reasonably big radius of the earpiece that give drive frequency for vocals, performance is good, and sound field is wide. So it's good for music. And it's also a balanced amateur unit, so it should be able to handle vocals and bass evenly, and also it can touch and blah 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 blah. Nothing interesting. Okay, let's open this up. Alright. Okay, so this is the box, and open this up, and you got the KZ. Just open the lid. Yes. Okay, so this is it. The hinge is quite nice to feel and is quite solid, as you can see. And yeah, it looks like a pill box to me. So put this aside. Under this is the Type-C cable and the earbud, which is the additional small and large. And lastly, you have the instruction manual. And the product warranty. Yep, that's it. So take this away. Alright, so let's see the box. So on top, as usual, you can see on top it has the KZ logo, and there's nothing else to see other than the Type-C cable. Alright, so the inside, you can see it says here the 400 milliamp hours, and this is the KZ acoustics. Alright, so that is the earbuds, and that is a very interesting design. And I believe this is the battery indicator. And as you can see, the earbuds, it doesn't look as premium due to the fact that it's pure plastic, and it's very glossy. The earbuds, it feels very soft. So after you remove the sticker, and you can see there's the light indicator, green color. So I believe it's green, red, and blinking. And there's only one dot on the thing. So that's all for the unboxing. So how heavy is the casing? It's about 53.9, and individually it's about 4.5 grams. 4.3 grams. Alright, so I will see you all later for the pairing phase. Wow, welcome back to the pairing phase. And boy, oh boy, this earpiece is so nice to listen to. I never had this satisfaction of listening to the bass and the vocals ever since I listened to the sound pits. And when I played this song, it is way better than the sound pits. When I play this song I recommend, which is called Ijime Echo Bully by Mori. So yeah, basically the song I'm already addicted to it ever since she released the song, and this thing bring it to the next level, because I never know that there is so much sound happening behind it, even though I listen it multiple times over and over. And when this thing hit the beat, it is like you can feel like some vibration on it, like wow, compared to like the sound pits, which has a bass, but this thing is even heavier than that. It's I don't know how to explain it, but it is way nicer. It is, I feel probably this will be my go-to music earpiece. And another surprising fact that this thing has high performance mode, basically like a gaming mode, and for a earpiece that has aptX, usually they don't have this function, which is basically the game mode to make the latency lower. So I'm very excited on how well the performance is when you combine with the aptX and the high performance mode in terms of the latency in the how fast series. And yeah, and if you want to know how is the fitting like, this is how it looks. Yeah, and I must say the feeling is actually very comfortable. I used it for a couple of hours and I don't feel like want to take it out at any point of time. So in conclusion, I must say this KZ SKS, it is beautiful. I like it a lot. It is cheaper than the Trujin 3 SE, which this cost me $60, and this thing is only $40. And not only that, it has like a deeper bass and clarity, and I'm like, wow, just impressed by the sound. This thing has a high performance mode, which is basically another gaming mode, and this thing is already using aptX 3040. So I'm pretty sure the performance will be out there with the ZNT game buds and also the QC T5S. And the design is quite comfortable to put in the pocket. I would say the fitting of the earpiece as well is also quite comfortable to use. And until now, I'm still loving it. It doesn't feel like any sort of pressure. It is just mainly to the fact that it has also a soft tip here that is actually way more softer than the usual earpiece, and with its design, it is just nice. When I feed it into my ear, it just stays. And also the next thing, that it has a very responsive touch capacity, and also it looks unique. So that is another thing that might be a selling point compared to the competitors. So other than that, if you want to know what is the short answer whether you should buy it, well, it is a resounding yes, buy it. You should buy it. Not only it looks cool, like it has a very interesting design in the earpiece. It has high performance mode and also has a good sound. What more can you ask for? I really don't know what more can you ask from this. Maybe it can use slightly more premium material, but the plastic is actually well built, and I just love it. So I'm like, oh, This is probably my benchmark right now. I'm already head over heels on this thing. So that's all I can say, and hopefully in the next episode, which is called How Fast series, it's going to be, hopefully this thing can be in the top 3 ranking, and if it does, this thing, it is my number 1 recommended earpiece among all of the earpiece I have tried. But till then, you have to subscribe to the channel if you want to know what is the latency, and I hope you like this video, and this is my first time showing my face for you all, and if it does well, I may do more in the future, or else I will still do the same format as the old times. So thank you for watching, and this is Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.